Today's word is rely. What does it mean? Where do you use it? Which word has the same root as rely? Let's find out these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of vocabulary videos, we're going to look at individual words or phrases and discuss around 6 aspects: pronunciation, meaning, the primary use, using the word or phrase in a sentence, a few relevant questions, if any, and some synonyms, again, if any. Let's start. How do you pronounce this word? Rely. It's a 2-syllabled word and you stress on the second syllable lie. Rely. It means to depend confidently, to put trust on. The use is general. You can use it in any sense as it suits the purpose. Let's look at some sentences to know the practical use. You could rely on us to give you the best service for the whole year. Children rely on their parents to keep them safe and healthy. The Arab economy relies heavily on oil exports. The violence in the valley relied on the funding coming in from across the border. The police relied on the CCTV to catch the culprits. I rely on my wife financially. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such videos regularly. Also, don't forget to use these words in your daily conversations. That's the only way you can make these words to your list of active vocabulary. Remember, you've got to own it to use it. Merely watching this video once and passing over to another will not help you. Now let's look at one relevant question. Which word has the same root as rely? Well, rely is a lot similar to depend. It comes from the Latin religare, which means to bind or to fasten. So when you rely on someone, you're bound to them. You depend on them. Let's look at some synonyms here. Count. You can count on me. You can rely on me. Depend. Bank. We can bank on that brand. Bet. I'll bet on your third idea. Trust. We have full trust in what you say. And some informal ways of saying rely is bet my bottom dollar on. So I'll bet my bottom dollar on English being the most used language in the world for another 100 years. Lay my money on. I'll lay my money on companies coming to India for investment. Swear by. I swear by the products manufactured by Tata. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.